picking my nose. Sometimes I just wipe it on my pants and never even know that it was there. Immediately gets shot by a sniper. I need to have an ambulance. Stay here. Okay, well later, jerk. Wait, stay here. Well, you can go over there, mister. I wonder where he went, boys. Wow, he's over there. Oh, he's stealing my bike. He's stealing my bike. He's stealing my bike? I don't think he's stealing my bike. Oh my god. Give me back my bike, man! No! Yes! No! Oh! 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 Get back here! Oh! Oh! Come back here now! Give me! Guys, he's over there. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. He's coming back, boy. I think maybe I can trip him. I don't know. I really don't know. Gonna have to stop me first, Nolan. Oh, he's sticking for the road. He is coming for the road. Give me back my bike. No. Yes. No. I will seek vengeance on you. He died. Oh my god. So you have to help me. Never. Ah. 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 You gonna kick me or what? Ah. Ah. What the heck is that? What? Oh. Oh. Give me. Ah. Is that all you feel? Huh? Oh. Oh. Come back. Here. Ah. Yeah.